Hello friends, let us discuss about vitamin deficiency. First, I'll discuss about what is vitamin and what are the types of vitamins. Vitamin is essential micronutrient. It is essential micronutrient. It is required in small quantities. Essential means it is not produced in the body, it has to be obtained through diet. What are the types of vitamins? We have fat soluble vitamins and water soluble vitamins. In this session, I will be discussing few important symptoms of these vitamin deficiencies. What are the types of fat soluble vitamins? We have vitamin A, D, E and K. These are the fat soluble vitamins. What are the water soluble vitamins? We have vitamin B complex and vitamin C. So, I will be discussing about few important vitamins and manifestations of deficiencies of vitamins. First, I will be dealing with fat soluble vitamin deficiencies. First one is vitamin A. This is also called as retinol. What are the manifestations of vitamin A deficiency? It causes night blindness. It can cause keratomalacia. It can cause Bitot spots. Next one is vitamin D. This is also called as cholecalciferol. What are the manifestations of this vitamin D deficiency? It can cause rickets or osteomalacia. It can cause bone pain. It can cause costochondral bleeding. And it can cause proximal myopathy. Next one is vitamin E. This is also called as tocopherol. What are the manifestations of vitamin E deficiency? It can cause hemolysis. It can cause posterior column signs. It can cause ataxia, muscle wasting. It can cause retinitis pigmentosa like changes and it can cause night blindness. Next fat soluble vitamin is vitamin K. There are again different types. One of the type is phylloquinone. What are the manifestations of this vitamin K deficiency? It can cause bruising, purpura. It can cause nose and GI bleeds. Next, I will be discussing about water soluble vitamin deficiencies. First one is vitamin B1. This is also called as thiamine. What are the manifestations of vitamin B1 deficiency? It causes beriberi. It can cause nystagmus, ataxia. It can cause acidosis. It can cause dementia, Wernicke's encephalopathy. It can cause anemia, cardiac failure, and it can cause neuropathy also. Next vitamin is vitamin B2. This is also called as riboflavin. What are the manifestations of vitamin B2 deficiency? It can cause angular stomatitis. It can cause glossitis, magenta tongue. Next, water soluble vitamin is vitamin B3. This is also called as niacin. What are the manifestations of vitamin B3 deficiency? It can cause pellagra, dermatitis, dementia, It can cause confusion, sore mouth. It can cause difficulty in sleeping. Pellagra is most important. Next one is vitamin B5. This is also called as pantothenic acid. Pantothenic acid. What are the manifestations of vitamin B5 deficiency? It can cause nausea, abdominal pain. It can cause paresthesia and it can cause burning feet. Next water-soluble vitamin is vitamin B6. This is also called as pyridoxine. What are the manifestations of vitamin B6 deficiency? It can cause poor appetite, lassitude, and it can cause oxaluria. Next vitamin is vitamin B7, that is biotin. Deficiency of vitamin B7 causes dermatitis, depression. It can cause muscle pains. It can cause blepharitis. Next important water-soluble vitamin is vitamin B9. This is nothing but folic acid. Folic acid deficiency causes anemia, thrombocytopenia, that is platelet will be low. Next water-soluble vitamin is vitamin B12, that is cobalamin. Vitamin B12 deficiency causes anemia, that is macrocytic anemia. It can cause icterus, knuckle pigmentation. It can cause subacute combined degeneration of spinal cord. So vitamin B12 and B9, that is cobalamin and folic acid deficiency causes macrocytic anemia. Next water-soluble vitamin is vitamin C. This is also called as ascorbic acid. This is mainly helpful in wound healing. What are the manifestations of vitamin C deficiency? It causes one important disease, that is scurvy, and it causes poor wound healing. It can cause difficulty in sleeping. It can cause hyperkeratosis, scorbutic rosary. It can cause perifollicular purpura. These are the manifestations of vitamin C deficiency. Vitamins are the micronutrients, that means they are required in small quantities. Other than vitamins, some minerals are the micronutrients. We need iron. What are the manifestations of iron deficiency? It causes koilonychia. It can cause smooth tongue. It can cause iron deficiency anemia, and it can cause esophageal web. Copper. What are the manifestations of copper deficiency? It can cause microcytic hypochromic anemia, and it can cause neutropenia, and it can cause scurvy-like bone lesions, and it can cause osteoporosis. One more mineral is zinc. Deficiency of zinc can cause acrodermatitis enteropathica, acrodermatitis enteropathica, and it can cause erythema, diarrhea. It can cause hypoglycemia, growth failure, anorexia. Next one is iodine. Iodine deficiency causes goiter. So, in this session, I have discussed in brief about micronutrient deficiencies, that means vitamin deficiencies and its manifestations, and mineral deficiencies and manifestations. Friends, if you like this video, please share this video to your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you.